of this House. It raises constitutional points. Mr. Speaker, when an elected member, and by election I mean election through the ballot and election through the special process, is then rendered not capable of discharging in this House, Mr. Speaker, it is tantamount to overturning the election of that member. Mr. Speaker, as you make your ruling, I urge you, Mr. Speaker, to find that the only organ that has got the power under the Constitution to overturn the election of a member is the High Court. It cannot be as mere, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, standing Article 99 of the Constitution, what they are doing is tantamount to disqualifying these members from being members. Article 99 is very clear, Mr. Speaker. It says that a member may only be disqualified if they are of unsound mind. Haji is not mad. Fatma is not mad. The Senator of Lamu is not mad, Mr. Speaker. Professor Kamara there, she's very normal. And it goes further by saying if he is found to be an undischarged bankrupt. We've not had any of this kind of proceedings, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I request you and I urge you to stand firm and refuse that the Speaker of Parliament cannot be used by political parties and coalition to fix their problems. Mr. Speaker, sir, you will not be doing anything new because Speaker Kaparo denied PNU an opportunity to do to Senator Ephraim Maina and then MP what they are inviting you to do. Number two, Speaker Ekwe Ethro denied my coalition to throw me out of this House because I had refused to abide by what UDF was forcing me to do. And Mr. Speaker, in this House, Senator Osotsi, not in this House, in the lower house, Senator Osotsi was protected by Speaker Muturi for 5 years when his party was throwing him out. Mr. Speaker, we insist that members of Jubilee should enjoy their full...
Senator Boni, just give a minute. You know that Senator Boni is on a point of order. We are here to contribute to the motion. Can you conclude, Senator?
Thank you.